Today I'm going to show you how to get your Claude API key quickly and easily using the Anthropic Console. If you're building an app, testing integrations, or just need access to Claude through the API, this is the place to start. I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can find, create, and manage your API keys without any confusion. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides like this. Let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to the Anthropic Console. Once the page loads, you'll need to either sign up for an account or log in if you already have one. If this is your first time, just follow the on-screen prompts to create your account. If you already have access, simply enter your login details and continue. After you're signed in, you'll land inside the Anthropic Console dashboard. Now look at the left-hand sidebar. In that menu, click on API Keys. This is the section where Anthropic lets you create, view, and manage your Claude API keys in one place. Once you're on the API Keys page, you can generate a new key if needed, copy it for use in your application, and keep track of any keys you've created before. If you ever need to rotate a key, disable one, or organize access for a project, this is where you'll come back to manage everything. A quick reminder, your API key is sensitive, so keep it private and never share it publicly or paste it into places you don't trust. It's always a good idea to store it securely and use environment variables when connecting it to your app or workflow. So just to recap, the process is simple. Go to the Anthropic Console, sign in or create an account, click API Keys in the left sidebar, and then create or manage your Claude API keys from there. That's all there is to it. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.